Good morning everyone. Our today's topic is quantum numbers, which is very interesting and very important topic. After the quantum mechanical model, this set of four numbers was given to get the information of electrons inside an atom. Initially, when nothing was known, when scientists they were aware only about matter, then they said that we are surrounded with matter only. धीरे धीरे साइंटिस्ट को पता चलना शुरू हुआ कि मैटर को अगर हम डिवाइड करते जाएं तो अल्टीमेटली हम एक ऐसे छोटे पार्टिकल पे पहुंच जाएंगे जिसे हम एटम कहते हैं, और ये कहा गया कि एटम को फर्दर हम आगे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन डिस्कवरीज और स्टडीज से ये पता चला कि एटम को भी फर्दर सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है, विच वी हैव डिस्कस्ड वर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स। देन further discoveries and studies were done to find the internal structure of an atom, and ultimately the scientists they come to know that internally the structure of atom is not that much simple as it seems to be. अगर हम कहें कि हर मैटर बहुत छोटे पार्टिकल एटम का बना है, तो बहुत छोटा पार्टिकल है जिसे हम देख नहीं सकते, तो इसका मतलब वो अंदर से इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड भी नहीं होगा, सिंपल से स्ट्रक्चर होगा। लेकिन जो स्टडीज थी, जो डिस्कवरीज थी, उनसे ये पता चला कि इंटरनली द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम इज नॉट वेरी सिंपल। उसके अंदर है क्या? सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस विच इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड इट कंटेन्स प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स, एंड आउटसाइड इट द शेल्स आर देयर इन विच इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिवॉल्व। फर्दर स्टडीज में क्या पता चला कि जो उसके बाहर शेल्स है दे कंटेन सब शेल्स, सब शेल्स कंटेन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। कि एटम के अंदर सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस है, न्यूक्लियस के बाहर शेल्स हैं, शेल्स के अंदर सब शेल्स है, सब शेल्स कंटेन ऑर्बिटल्स which we have discussed earlier that what orbital is, that is the region around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum, and each orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. So by this the picture of atom is, the structure of atom is that atom consists of positively charged nucleus which contains protons and neutrons, and outside the shells are there. Those shells they contain subshells, subshells contains orbitals, orbitals contain accommodate electrons. So here it is that quantum numbers is a set of 4 numbers with the help of which complete information about the electrons in an atom can be obtained. This set of 4 quantum numbers is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Principal quantum number is represented by the letter n. What this principal quantum number is? This is the main shell in which the electron revolves. Like as we do earlier, that suppose this is the nucleus, this is the first shell, this is the second shell, this is the third one, and in the same way this is the fourth one. What we name them, number them 1, 2, 3, 4, and correspondingly first shell was named as K, then L, then M, and then N. According to Niels Bohr, we have done it earlier also that outside the nucleus there are shells and they were numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 and named as K, L, M and N. This principal quantum number is the same as this. First shell, second shell, third shell and fourth shell, and in the same way other shells also. Azimuthal quantum number is the sub shells which are present in the main shell. जैसे एक चैप्टर के अंदर हेडिंग के अंदर सब हेडिंग्स होती हैं, इसी तरह इस मेन शेल में ये सब शेल्स हैं which is represented by the letter small l, and its value varies from 0 to n minus 1. Similarly, magnetic quantum number, it is represented by the letter ml, and this tells us about the orbitals in the subshell, and its value varies from minus l to plus l. And spin quantum number, it is represented by ms, and its value is only plus half and minus half. Now one by one we will discuss all these 4 quantum numbers, that how these quantum numbers they help us to get the information about the electrons in an atom. principal quantum number which is represented by n. Here it is L, which is the azimuthal quantum number. If the value of n is 1, means first shell is there. Value of L varies from 0 to n minus 1, means first is 0, then is n minus 1. N here is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, which is already here. This 0 is just the representation of the subshell. It is not that no subshell is there. ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके अंदर सबशेल नहीं है, ये इसके अंदर सबशेल ही है, ये इसे रिप्रेजेंट करने का वे है. Similarly, if value of n is 2, then value of L is 0 and 1. 0 to n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. For 3, value of L is 0, 1, 2. For 4, the value is 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this way, value of L varies from 0 to n minus 1. Now to name them, corresponding to 0, it is represented by the letter S. For 0, it is S. For 1, it is P. Similarly, S, P, D. For 4, corresponding to 0, it is S, P, D and F. These are the subshells. Now coming to magnetic quantum number, which is represented by Ml. Now in the first shell, this is one subshell. Value of Ml varies from minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L. When here it is 0, then value of Ml is 0. Coming to this, corresponding to 0, it is 0. Corresponding to 1, it is minus 1, 0, plus 1. हमने कहा कि Ml की वैल्यू कहाँ से कहाँ तक वेरी करेगी, माइनस L से प्लस L तक. अगर L की वैल्यू 0 है तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली Ml की वैल्यू भी 0 होगी. Similarly, coming to n is equal to 2, corresponding to 0, value of Ml will be 0. Corresponding to 1, value of Ml is equal to minus 1, 0, plus 1. Coming to n is equal to 3, corresponding to 0, the value of Ml is 0. Corresponding to 1, value of Ml is minus 1, 0, plus 1. Corresponding to 2, it is minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. And in the same way here also 0. Then for here minus 1, 0, plus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. In this way these orbitals they vary. Now see here. Each orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. Here first shell contain one subshell contain one orbital, and each orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. तो यही हम करते थे कि फर्स्ट शेल अपने में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रख सकती है. कमिंग टू द सेकेंड शेल, सेकेंड शेल में कितनी सबशेल्स हैं? 2 सबशेल्स, 0 एंड 1. 0 के अंदर कितने ऑर्बिटल्स हैं? 1. और 1 के अंदर कितने ऑर्बिटल्स हैं? 3. माइनस 1, 0 एंड प्लस 1. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली इस ऑर्बिटल में एक ही 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इसके इस ऑर्बिटल में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इस ऑर्बिटल में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इस ऑर्बिटल में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. कमिंग टू n इज इक्वल टू 3, वैल्यू ऑफ l इज 0. फर्स्ट शेल सब शेल में कितने ऑर्बिटल्स? एक ही ऑर्बिटल. इस ऑर्बिटल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आएंगे? 2. 1 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली माइनस 1 में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 0 में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और प्लस 1 में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सिमिलरली व्हेन सबशेल इज सेकेंड, माइनस 2 ऑर्बिटल कंटेन 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, माइनस 1 कंटेन 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 0 contain 2 electron, plus 1 contain 2 electron, plus 2 contain 2 electrons. Now see, what we used to do is that first shell can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. First shell 2 electrons. Second shell according to 2n square. Second shell can accommodate 8 electrons. Now count here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Similarly for third. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So third shell can accommodate maximum of 18 electrons. So in this way the electrons, they are arranged in an atom. Till now what we have done is N is N, L and Mn. N is principal quantum number, L is azimuthal quantum number and Ml is magnetic quantum number. Now coming to the fourth quantum number, that is spin quantum number. As the name is indicating that it tells us about the spin of the electron in an orbital. We know that an orbital can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons. Those 2 electrons can move in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. अब जैसे हम कहें कि अगर हमने एक पेयर ऑफ शूज को एक बॉक्स में अकोमोडेट करना है तो हम उसकी एक साइड अपर साइड फ्रंट साइड ऊपर रखते हैं, एक की लोअर रखते हैं ताकि वो दोनों कम जगह में ऑक्यूपाई हो सकें. अब नाउ द एटम इज वेरी स्मॉल और उस सारे में इस सबको अकोमोडेट करना है. सो फॉर दैट अकोमोडेशन द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे आर एडजस्टेड इन द ऑर्बिटल, one in clockwise direction and the other in anti-clockwise direction. And to represent them in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, these two values were given, plus half and minus half. Plus half for the electron in clockwise direction and minus half for the electron in anti-clockwise direction. And in the same way it is for all the pairs of electrons in the orbitals. So in this way, this is the fourth set of quantum numbers which help us to get the information of electron in an atom. In the next, we will discuss how in the question it is given that for which electron you have to find all these quantum numbers, all the values, all the information of the electron which is given to you. Thank you.